What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian from PixlFeed here, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what a landing page is, how they're utilized, and how you can use them to better your business. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right to it. So a landing page is essentially a one-page website, okay? Is what you use to send your traffic to when you want them to take a specific action. It's something that you build separately from your regular website. If you have a regular website, if you're a business and you have a regular website or you have an e-commerce store, a landing page is what you use when you want to run traffic to a single offer or whether you want to catch their email address in exchange to give them something for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of examples using my favorite software right here, which is called ClickFunnels. And if you look in the link below, in the description below, I'm actually giving away a 14-day free trial along with an 11-module course on how to build landing pages and funnels that goes pretty deep on how to do it. It's completely free. Just click the link below and sign up. And as a bonus, I'm actually going to give you a surprise. So make sure to click the link below and sign up for that free course and that free trial so you can check it out. So anyway, so what I'm going to show you here, essentially how, the difference between two types of landing pages and what it does. So as you can see here, this landing page is basically what I would use if I wanted to give someone a freebie in exchange for their information. So for example, in this one is discover what you need to know about setting up and running a profitable online business. Yes, show me the secret. Some people, when they click here, all they need to do is give me their email address and that's it. It will sign them up and then it will take them to the thank you page, and that's the end of our interaction. Notice how there's no menus at the top about me or examples or download here or any of that, because you want to keep them focused on your offer. You don't want them to go somewhere else, okay? So this is what we call a squeeze page or a lead magnet, but essentially it's a landing page, okay? Right here I have this other landing page, and this is for an e-commerce product, and I have two examples for it. So this is one that we use for this particular product, and notice how, once again, it's just the name of the store up here. There's no home, about us, our story, other products, or email us, or whatever. It's just straight to the point. Here's our product, check it out, features and benefits, get it today, take advantage of our offer. There's only 16 hours left to take advantage of this offer. Yes, I want free shipping. And it's just selling you on this particular product all the way, giving you all the information that you want about this product so you can pull the trigger. Then we have right here, social proof. We have scarcity right here to make you pull the trigger, right? So basically what we're doing with this landing page is we're getting rid of all the objections for them not to buy, all the excuses that they make up in their head for not buy your product or try to back out of buying your product. And basically we're selling them. The copy is doing all the selling for us along with this video here, right? It answers all the questions. Again, so we're getting rid of all their objections. We're showing the product. We're showing the size of the product. We're answering all the questions. And there is just one option in this landing page. Get it. We pay for shipping. Here's the offer. You click the button. It's going to take you to the ordering page where you're going to put in all your information. Again, more social proof, guaranteed, secure payment, all that good stuff. So it's only a one type of offer, and that's it. There's only one thing for you to do, and for you is to buy this product. Now notice this other side with the same type of product, and look at how many distractions we have here, okay? So when you land on this page, essentially, if you're paying for traffic, the last thing that you want is send people to a page they're going to distracted by a million things, because now you're taking the focus out of whatever action you want them to take. So let's say I land here. Well, now my ad doesn't match, what I showed on the page. Now I have two different options. So now I'm going to get confused. Like, why do I have two different options? And yeah, you have the add to cart, but notice the difference is add to cart and just a little line of what it is. Notice how in here, We explain everything about the product with social proof and everything else. There's no questions that are not answered, and there's nowhere else for them to go. When you go here, you can start playing around. Oh, well, do I want to shop all? Brace advisor, injury info center, account, card, talk to an expert, about us, support. Yes, if you have a full store, that's great, where you're sending traffic to multiple products. But now you're confusing everybody with all the different options. And look, I keep clicking and it's just more options for me to click, but there's not that many options. You will get better conversion rates if you just create a landing page for each of these products instead of having the 2 products on the same website, because that's all they have on essentially on for this product on this website. And then you have all these different menus where you're going to send them everybody else, and they're going to get confused and going to go everywhere else. Now, if you're building a brand or a line of products and you have tons of multiple products, sure, if you have a brand, build a whole website. But listen, I have full websites for my brands, and I still build landing pages for my best sellers just because they have better conversion rates. Because when you know if you have a winning product or a winning offer, if you know how to craft that offer and answer all those questions on the landing page, they are going to convert and take advantage of your offer on the spot. Okay? So that is essentially what a landing page. A landing page is a one-page website that answers all the questions about the offer, and it sells your client or makes them pull the trigger on that offer that you have available. So I highly recommend to do landing pages when it comes to your if you want to acquire leads, if you want to build a list, which you should always be building your list, or if you want to sell one-off product. And if you want to get into funnels and all that good stuff, again, check out the link in the description below. It's a 14-day trial for ClickFunnels, which is amazing. That's my favorite software to do this. I'm giving away also, when you click on that, if a freaking 11 module free course that walks you through and how to build this from scratch all the way, and where you can learn how to do this for free. It's all for free. Just click the link below and check it out. If you like this video, make sure to click one of the boxes right above me. Keep learning, keep improving, take your business to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.